Hey guys, welcome back to another video in Unfiltered World. So today I am at our land for farm work, and I just want to show you something nowadays what's happening in village area, in the rural area of India. So women who are gone to collect wood, so they will burn the woods to get fire. This is the rural life and rural area. I'm going to show you again. Just see this. The wall went to collect woods. So thank you so much to have this video, and we will meet in another video. So bye bye, and listen one thing more. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, because everyone knows subscribers are more important. So bye bye.